playing, don't press the button. So let's read the updates. Okay, so recent updates: 6 new stages, 8 new gears, 1 new game pass, 2 new badges, new map for the tsunami stage. Okay. Let's look at leaderboard before we play. Okay, let's read out the names. Yabum64 first. Okay. Let's not read all of them. Anyways, let's start playing. Okay, I'm in somebody. Crap, I'm in somebody. What's that? Seta. Is that a bit? It says don't press button, but you have to press the button, don't you? Bit. Oh no, the button was press. Press the button if you found it. Great. Okay. Dang it. Okay. Did it just literally put me and some other people in a box? Okay. I'm gonna play like 3 rounds and then I'm gonna end the video. That was round 1, and you clearly see I lost. So, yeah. And then I'll make a part 2, and then I'll play different Roblox games and some other, and yeah. Bombs are falling. Let us push them away. Push! Fuck. Sorry. This is stupid. What is this shit? That was the second fucking level. Okay, I'm okay, fine. Doi. Fuck you. This is stupid. I'm not giving up until I win. Besides, round 1. Of course. Pay 1. Fuck this shit. Tap to spam. Click button. Tap. Fuck you! Nice. 1. Ooh. Get ready with 3 people. Did somebody just... Fuck this. It's so tiny. Okay, I lied. I give up.